Hello, I'm Patrick McManus, and this is Main Street Minute. I'm joined by Lori Boschek. She's the owner of Allure Hair Salon in White House Station. Lori, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Pat.
Lori, recently you went through a name change. Previously, your salon was called The Clipper, and you changed to Allure. Why did you do that?
Well, we've been in business for 23 years, and after all these years, we felt that we have evolved, and our old name didn't fit our image that we feel we are today. Clients had said that they felt we were a barbershop or a chain salon, we've heard, so we felt that we should change our name.
Okay. And what are some of the services that Allure is providing?
We provide hairstyling, blow drying, expert hair cutting, keratin treatments, hair extensions, and we specialize in hair color. All techniques of hair color ranging from high, low lighting to ombre techniques, whatever the client's needs or wants are.
All right. And earlier we were talking about you've become board certified in hair color. Why was that important for you?
It's important because it allows the client to feel reassured that the knowledge and skill level that the stylist has will always give them excellent hair color every time.
Right. And eventually you want all of your stylists to become board certified as well.
Yeah, so everyone will be board certified or be in training to be board certified.
And what does the board certification entail? What kind of testing?
The testing is a written test, and it is a hands-on and an oral question test. It takes the entire day. It is a very rigorous test. They also ask you a series of problem solving of different scenarios that have gone wrong and how to correct and do corrective hair color.
Because sometimes things can go wrong in hair salons. We've
Yes.
heard how many horror stories of hair coming out bad or burning hair. And so board certification will help your customers understand that you're board certified, and more than likely these mistakes won't happen.
Right, and that we can fix anything that has gone wrong somewhere that somebody needs help with.
Right,
So
right. And so tell us where is Allure located? Give us your address.
it is located on 260 Main Street, White House Station.
And how can customers contact you for an appointment?
Our phone number is 908-534-5601.
Great. Lori, thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate it, and we want to wish you the best of luck with your new branding, and hopefully we can get lots of customers to Allure in White House Station. This has been a Main Street Minute. I'm Pat McManus, joined by Lori Boschek from Allure Hair Salon, and we'll see you next time on Main Street Minute.